Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super exciting that a lot of you have been asking about, how to make some extra cash online, quickly and easily. We're not talking about starting a whole new career here. We're talking about legit websites that can put money in your pocket daily, and the best part? No special skills are needed. This is for everyone, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for a simple side hustle. So grab a notebook, because by the end of this video, you'll have 10 solid options to start earning in 2026. Let's get right into it. First up, let's talk about user testing. This site is a goldmine if you like sharing your opinion. Big companies want to know what real people think about their websites and apps before they launch them. That's where you come in. You just sign up, complete a practice test, and then you start getting paid to test websites. You'll record your screen and your voice as you navigate a site, talking through your thoughts. It's actually pretty fun, and each test takes about 10 to 20 minutes. The pay is great for the time you put in, and you can cash out through PayPal. It's a fantastic way to earn from your couch. Next on our list is Swagbucks. If you haven't heard of Swagbucks, you're missing out. It's one of the most popular reward sites out there, and for good reason. You can earn points, called SB, for doing things you probably already do online, searching the web, watching videos, shopping, and taking surveys. Then you can redeem those points for gift cards to places like Amazon and Walmart, or just get cash back through PayPal. It's incredibly versatile, and you can earn in short bursts throughout your day. A few minutes here and there can really add up. Our third site is Amazon Mechanical Turk, or IMTurk as it's more commonly known. This is a platform run by Amazon where businesses post small tasks called hits, or human intelligence tasks. These are things that computers can't do well, like identifying objects in photos, transcribing short audio clips, or doing quick data entry. Each task pays a small amount, but they so quick to complete that you can power through a bunch of them in a single sitting. The key here is consistency. The more hits you do, the more you can earn, and payments are fast and reliable. Moving on to number 4, we have a personal favorite for survey takers, Prolific. What sets Prolific apart is that it's primarily used for academic research. This means the surveys are usually more interesting and better designed than what you'll find on other sites. Plus, they pay really well for your time. You fill out a detailed About You section, and they match you with studies you're eligible for. No more getting screened out of surveys halfway through. It's transparent, fair, and a great way to contribute to science while earning cash. Number 5 is for the gamers and app lovers, Misplay. This one is super fun. It's an Android-only app that pays you to play mobile games. You discover new games through the app, and the more you play, the more points you earn. You can then redeem those points for gift cards to major retailers. If you already spend time playing games on your phone, why not get paid for it? It's a genuine way to turn your hobby into a little side income stream. Let's talk about our 6th option, Kumi. Kumi is a cool browser extension that works in the background while you shop or search online. When you search on Google, Bing, or Amazon, Kumi will show a sidebar with extra results and cash rewards. If you click on one of their links, you earn a small amount. They also offer paid surveys and special deals. The best part is there's no minimum cash out amount. You can withdraw your earnings to PayPal at any time, even if it's just a few cents. Number 7 is Rev. This one leans a bit more towards a skill, but it's one you can learn very quickly. Rev hires freelancers for transcription, captioning, and subtitle work. You listen to audio or video and type out what you hear. They have a test to get in, but their guidelines are clear, and they provide all the tools you need. The pay is per audio minute, and it's a flexible way to earn from home. If you're a good typist and have a good ear, you can make some serious side cash with Rev, and they pay out weekly. At number 8, we have a site that's perfect for quick small tasks, Clickworker. Similar to MTurk, Clickworker offers a variety of micro jobs. You might be asked to categorize data, create short texts, or proofread. The platform is user-friendly, and you can work whenever you have a spare moment. You'll need to pass some qualification tests to unlock higher-paying jobs, but it's a great platform to have in your toolkit for daily earnings. They pay out regularly through PayPal or bank transfer. Coming in at number 9 is Survey Junkie. As the name suggests, this is a hub for market research surveys. It's one of the most straightforward and reputable survey sites available. You create a profile, and they match you with surveys based on your demographics. You earn points for each survey you complete, which you can then redeem for cash via PayPal or e-gift cards. It's simple, requires no skill, and you can do it from anywhere. It's a classic for a reason. And finally, number 10 is Field Agent. This one gets you out of the house, but it's so worth it. Field Agent is an app that pays you to be a secret shopper of sorts. You use your smartphone to collect photos, videos, and information from stores and other locations. You might be asked to check the price of a product, take a picture of a store display, or complete a short survey about your experience. The jobs are quick, usually taking just a few minutes, and they pay directly to your bank account. It's a fun way to make money while you're already out and about running errands. So there you have it, 10 legit websites that can help you earn money daily in 2026 with no special skills required. The secret is to find a few that you enjoy and stick with them. Don't expect to get rich overnight, but with a little consistency, you can definitely boost your income and reach your financial goals faster. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more ways to make and save money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.